Hello and welcome to another quick video. This video is for the Spigen case and glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 3a XL. So we're going to start off with the case. It's just going to be a quick one. Just a couple of suggestions for your new phone if you've got to pick one up. So in the actual box you get a little installation guide and little lens cleaning wipe. So I've got dust on it already. So I'm going to whack this onto the phone just quickly. So particularly if you've got the white one or the purplish one, it'll help show off that colour. So as you can see, perfect cutouts, and the buttons press nicely as well. So if I just take it off quickly, on the inside you've got a dot matrix pattern in there. You've got your air cushion technology in the corners. It's quite a sturdy gel type case, so should help protect that nice finish on your phone. As you can see, it's got a bit of raised edges, perfect for protecting that possibly a fragile screen. So right, I'll pop on the screen protector quickly. What I'm probably going to do is just leave the case on for this one. Now I did install one of these screen protectors already, but the phone dropped about 4 feet and only cracked the outer edge of the screen protector, but it did its job. That's the main thing. Right, so you do get 2 of these in the pack. So let's do this from behind, out of the camera. So you get your dust removal stickers, you get your screen protector, a rubber squeegee, lens cleaning wipes, and your thank you for your purchase and tips on the perfect installation. So right, start off by giving it a bit of a clean. What I may have to do is do this from when I put the screen protector on. I'll put it on out of behind the camera, so I want to get it just right. Right, let's make sure I get it all nice and clean. So hopefully that's done that job. See dust on it already, and it's a really nice large dust removal sticker. Makes the job so much easier when you've got something this size. Right, hopefully that'll do. Wrap it. So this one, you get these tabs to help you place it just in the right place. So you've got your backing, which you obviously take off first, and this would be stuff you take off over the top. So I'm going to take the backing off before there's a chance for any more dust to get on there. Alright, try and do this real time. Just getting it just right. I think it's about as near as it's going to get from what I can see. Looks reasonably good in line. So that's it, and we'll let that go. So give me a minute, I'll just let that all spread and see how we get on. Right, so it looks like I got lucky and didn't get any dust in it. I just waited for it all to spread nicely and just helped it by just using the applicator just to push down and move it around a bit. So hopefully, fingers crossed. Looks okay. If you do get any little bits under it, they should clear within a couple of hours or so. I mean, ideally you should wait for the alcohol wipe just to dry off a little bit more first, but so that's your fitting. It's a cut out around the camera, cuts out around the speaker port. You've got a good sort of space around the edges. It's got a nice oleophobic coating. It's not a bad one really. And the first one I fitted on definitely helped to protect my phone. So, and just to prove it's glass, there we go, shatters. Right, so that's the Spigen screen protector and liquid crystal case. Very good screen protector, very good case. You get no rainbow effects or anything. So yeah, from what I can see, it's a good combination. So I think I've got another case coming, so we're going to try that on there as well. But that's it for now. Like, share and subscribe. Do me a power of good and the channel, and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.